Polygon has just announced a big partnership that will affect all Polygon users, and the BNB chain is now on Uniswap. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. One Bitcoin analyst says Bitcoin is setting up a classic trading move, which could see it hit 100,000. In a tweet on March 14th, Charles Edwards, founder and CEO of investment firm Capriole, called Bitcoin price action in 2023 a bump and run reversal. Having passed 26,000 to hit new 9-month highs this week, Bitcoin is in the midst of a recovery rarely seen before. Despite cooling off under 25,000, longer timeframes are already getting analysts excited after the brutal 2022 bear market. For Edwards, Bitcoin in 2023 has been straight out of the market's textbooks. The bump and run reversal bottom is a bullish reversal pattern that begins with a series of descending peaks. Excessive speculation drives prices down until reaching extreme lows. The price action then reverses direction to the upside and marks the end of a downtrend. These charts describe the bump and run phenomenon, showing Bitcoin in the latter stages of its trend break and cementing a key resistance support flip. What happens next is the so-called uphill run, giving the pair a six-figure target. Nonetheless, Edwards acknowledges that like any chart pattern, bump and run might fail and should not be used as a basis for trading or investment strategies. Directly above the current spot price lies an area of heavy resistance that Bitcoin bulls have failed to overcome so far. Best case scenario for Bitcoin is to break the 200-weekly moving average on this current move and close above it, which we'll have to look out for on the weekly close this Sunday. For me, it's hard to picture Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs this year before the halving cycle, but what do you guys think? Can we break out in 2023? Uniswap, the #1 decentralized exchange protocol by trading volume, is officially live on the BNB Chain, the world's largest smart contract blockchain by daily active users. In February, a governance proposal by OX Plasma Labs to deploy Uniswap V3 on BNB Chain passed with more than 55 million Uni token holders voting in favor. The proposed expansion of the BNB chain offers several significant advantages, including user growth, lower fees, and tapping into new geographical markets. This move has the potential to provide users with more efficient and cost-effective trading options. Furthermore, the move to the BNB chain will enhance the Uniswap protocol's ability to better serve all users within the Web3 space and marks a significant step towards increasing accessibility and liquidity for its users. And with BNB chain's large DeFi developer community and increased awareness and adoption amongst retail and institutional investors, with a potential of 1 to 2 million new users and protocol stakeholders. The launch is well-timed as it aligns with the DeFi industry's requirement for greater accessibility and cross-blockchain compatibility. Binance has just announced that TrueUSD will become the new preferred stablecoin pair by making spot trading fees zero on the Bitcoin TUSD pair. The TrueFi token, which is no longer correlated to TrueUSD, pumped from 11 cents all the way to 15 cents after the news, before CZ commented on Twitter saying True should not be related to TUSD. The token then dumped right back down to the same spot as narrative traders got out. TrueUSD has been gaining a lot of attention over the past weeks as Binance sells off their $1 billion BUSD-based fund for Bitcoin, ETH, and BNB, and more people begin to mint TUSD as the new preferred stablecoin after most stables depegged over the weekend. If you're looking for a new stablecoin to use, you can buy, sell, and trade TUSD on Binance US. You can also get whitelisted for the Cristiano Ronaldo first official NFT collection, receive his free souvenir NFT, and earn $500. We partnered with Binance US to bring you guys this offer. All you need to do is create an account on Binance US today. Just click the link in the description below. Syscoin is a smart contract platform that supports a cutting-edge Web3 ecosystem with ultra-low fees, decentralized Layer 1 security, and Layer 2 scalability. Syscoin is designed to support the future of smart contracts within metaverse, IoT, smart cities, and future interplanetary economies. Syscoin benefits smart contracts and rollups by securing transactions with Bitcoin's own proof of work and Bitcoin's network of miners through merged mining. Syscoin also just announced their update 4.4 proof of data availability. This is a major step forward for the industry as it will make Syscoin the first Layer 1 within this crucial scaling upgrade available on mainnet. Solving for data availability on the first layer is essential for making the most of the scalability rollups promised to offer. This takes them one step closer to their Layer 2 rollups, which will initially be an optimistic rollup and will incorporate ZK-based rollups once validity-proving technologies mature. Likewise, proof of data accessibility is compatible with optimistic and ZK and provides the security necessary for critical financial applications. Syscoin is considered a Tier 1 coin by Binance, and you can also find it on Binance US with the same link down below, so don't miss this ongoing offer. The final dress rehearsal for Ethereum's upcoming Shanghai upgrade, more accurately known as Shapella, occurred Tuesday on the Gorilla testnet. The test simulated staked Ether withdrawals bringing the highly anticipated upgrade closer to its final step, which will be activating live on the mainnet blockchain sometime next month. These funds have been locked up since December 2020 when Ethereum's proof-of-stake beacon chain went live. Gorilla was the last of these 3 testnets to run through such a simulation. This test was the most anticipated of all 3 given that it's the largest validator set and mimics Ethereum's blockchain activity most closely. It was also the last opportunity for staking providers to test the staked ETH withdrawals, which will be properly processed before the upgrade goes live. Ethereum developers will meet for their bi-weekly call on Thursday to set a date for the mainnet Shanghai upgrade. During the last bi-weekly call, Ethereum developers discussed a mainnet target for some time in the beginning of April, which is a slight deviation from their initial timeline set for March. GPT-4, the latest version of the artificial intelligence chatbot ChatGPT, can pass high school tests and law school exams with scores ranking in the 90th percentile, and has new processing capabilities that were not possible with the prior version, revealing that it can also convert image, audio, and video inputs to text in addition to handling much more nuanced instructions more creatively and reliably. It passed a simulated bar exam with a score around the top 10% of test takers. OpenAI added, in contrast, ChatGPT 3.5 score was around the bottom 10%. GPT's scores would put in a good position to be admitted into a top 20 law school, and is only a few marks short of the reported scores needed for acceptance to prestigious schools such as Harvard, Stanford, Princeton, or Yale. Former Coinbase director Connor Grogan said he inserted a live Ethereum smart contract into GPT-4, and the chatbot instantly pointed to several security vulnerabilities and outlined how the code might be exploited. He said the contract was hacked in 2018 via the vulnerabilities that ChatGPT points out. He says, "I believe that AI will ultimately help make smart contracts safer and easier to build, 2 of the biggest impediments to mass adoption." Polygon has launched the ability to create a web3.polygon domain in partnership with Unstoppable Domains. The offering will allow users to log into Web3 applications, make use of human-readable wallet addresses, and create decentralized websites. The service will be available to an estimated 180 million users and 40,000 services across the Polygon blockchain ecosystem. Unstoppable Domains makes use of Polygon to mint decentralized domains with 0 gas fees. Over 2.7 million domains have been registered on the Polygon blockchain to date. Users will be able to use the .polygon domains to create digital identities that are compatible across 750 applications, games, and metaverse platforms. These can be used to log into website apps such as cryptocurrency wallet addresses and decentralized websites. Unstoppable Domains also allows users to create profiles that can be connected to social media channels and act as a digital identity across Web3 platforms and networks. A statement from Polygon Labs' Vice President of Business Development highlighted the importance of unlocking user-owned digital identity for Polygon users. He said, "Web3 domains will give our community a digital identity that they fully own, so they can log into dApps without giving away their personal information and transact crypto without lengthy wallet addresses." Coinbase is working on bringing decentralized finance apps like Uniswap and AAVE to Base, the US-listed exchange's Layer 2 network that was launched last month. Coinbase's Base Layer 2 network is built using the Ethereum scaling protocol Optimism and uses Ethereum's native cryptocurrency ETH for fees on the network. Coinbase is in the process of recruiting a bunch of protocols to Base. Uniswap and AAVE are 2 of those, and Uniswap will probably appear on Base in a couple of months. Decentralized apps have held up well amid the turmoil that is affecting the crypto industry, and while Coinbase is among the largest and most influential of the centralized crypto trading platforms, the firm clearly understands the value attached to ecosystems and hence the drive to incubate a decentralized blockchain network. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.